Are you looking for the best indoor bike trainers? In this video we will look at some of the best indoor bike trainers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, CycleOps Fluid 2 Indoor Trainer. CycleOps is known as one of the best bike trainer manufacturers in the world, and their CycleOps Fluid 2 Indoor Trainer is a perfect example of why. While they typically produce more expensive products, this is a wonderful budget product that still is one of the best performing we've seen. The friction trainer works by clamping onto the rear dropouts and places a roller against the rear tire. In this case, the roller is precision machined and made of alloy to reduce tire wear and slippage. There are 3 settings for rear dropout spacing: 120 mm, 130 mm, and 135 mm. The trainer is nice and quiet, so you don't have to wake anyone up or deal with the neighbors getting irritated if you live in an apartment. The 16-gauge steel frame is notably sturdy considering the price point, and has a weight limit of 300 pounds. The adjustable foot pads make sure that you're always secure and stable, even in more intense sessions. If that weren't enough, it is compatible with Zwift, Rouvy, and other training apps that you may find fun and motivating. Finally, the product comes with a generous lifetime warranty from CycleOps, so you can feel reassured in your purchasing decision. At number 2, Sportneer Bike Trainer Stand. If you're on a very tight budget or are just getting into cycling, the Sportneer Bike Trainer Stand is hands down the best budget bike trainer you're going to find. It's obviously not going to have all the bells and whistles that some of the others on our list have, but it's going to get the job done. As the frame is made of steel, you can really put some miles on it without worrying about the integrity of the stand. The wide base, adjustable rubber feet, and low center of gravity ensure you'll be stable even at high intensities. While it's not a smart trainer, no app connecting capabilities, it does come with 6 bar-mounted remote-controlled resistance settings so you can train on various incline levels. At number 3, CycleOps Hammer Direct Drive Trainer. Yet again, we're back with another exquisite product from CycleOps. This time, we give you the Hammer Direct Drive Trainer, which is consistently rated the best smart bike trainer by the top rated among serious cyclists. The direct drive smart trainer can handle a max power output of an impressive 2000 watts at 20 miles per hour, and can simulate inclines up to 20%. It's not quite what the Driver 2, see below, can do in that sense, but it does have its own benefits. To start riding, all you have to do is add a cassette, take off your rear wheel, and connect to your preferred virtual training app. There, you can choose among group rides, rolling hills, and more. With integrated dual ANT plus Fa equals C and Bluetooth 4.0 technologies, you'll always have a fast and consistent connection. At number 4, Balance from Bike Trainer Stand. You can easily install and release your rear wheel on the Balance from Bike Trainer Stand, which creates a more user-friendly experience. Quick release clamps secure your rear wheel into place and hold the bike steady as you ride. Whether you're cruising or gearing up to crush those interval training sessions, you'll have a choice between 8 magnetic resistance levels. The resistance controller is mounted on the handlebars for convenient shifting. You can set up this bike stand on virtually any surface, as its rubber feet keep the stand in place and prevent it from scratching your floors. The stationary bike stand works best for road and mountain bikes with 26 to 28-inch wheels or bikes with 700c wheels. The noise reduction technology is designed for road bike tires. You can also purchase a trainer tire to minimize noise during training sessions. This bike trainer stand has a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds. At number 5, Sportneer Bike Trainer Stand. You don't have to break the bank to get a dependable fluid bike trainer for your indoor workouts. As this bike trainer stand shows, resistance increases along with your pedaling, allowing you to stay in full control of your workouts. There are 6 resistance levels to choose from. Whether you're in the mood to spin your legs out or dig deep for interval training and hill climbs, this bike trainer works with a wide range of bikes, including those with 26 to 28-inch wheels and 700c wheels. It also quickly releases your bike when you're ready to remove it for outdoor riding. Once the bike is in place, a dual locking system firmly holds the frame so that you can enjoy a stable ride. The frame itself is made with durable stainless steel, ensuring it will hold up over time. Not only can you set this trainer up in minutes, it also folds down enough to be easily carried around when necessary. The trainer comes with a front wheel riser and a quick release lever for the rear.